Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to a quick video here on Forgotten Weapons. I'm Ian McCollum, and I am out at the Moons Out 2026 Night Vision match. I'm shooting an FS2000 that has one of the Ambient Arms flow-through, like, extra cooling suppressors on it. This is really an interesting product in that it actually has 3 sets of air intakes on the suppressor body. As you fire, it pulls, essentially, the pressure differential pulls cool, fresh air into the suppressor, mixes with the combustion gases, and then vents out the front like a flow-through can. So this has a number of results that do potentially different things, but the most obvious one is that it keeps the can cooler. It keeps it from heating up as quickly as like every other traditional can, because that cold air mixes with the very hot propellant gases, blows it through, and, well, I'm really curious to see how well that works. There are a number of other videos out there that show this being fired with like an infrared temperature gauge, but we're out here at a night vision match and we're filming with an infrared camera, and when people shoot suppressors a bunch, they will actually start to glow in the infrared spectrum. So they look dark to the naked eye, but when you look at them through a PVS 14, like we're filming through right here, you'll see the can glowing brilliantly. Well, this is one of our relatively high round count stages for this match, and I'm really curious to see how much this Ambient Arms can is visibly glowing in IR at the end of the stage. So I'm going to shoot it, and we'll take a look at the condition of this can at the end, and then we're going to compare it to a couple other more traditional, normal suppressors run by other competitors. So let's head in and see what happens.
Now, are you ready?
I am ready.
Stand by. Grab your magazine, retain it. Get your gear, let's go. Reload, re-engage. If finished, unload and show clear.
So that is just a little bit glowy, just barely at the back. Interesting, actually at the rearmost air intake. Now let's see what some other more traditional scopes cans look like after this sort of run.
All right, shooter, stand by.
All right, and just in the time it has taken me to walk out of the stage back to the prep area, less than 30 seconds, that glow is already gone. So that can's still too hot for me to touch with the bare hand, but it is no longer emitting any visual IR, which is pretty cool.